NERC, NERC CIP Training Bootcamp and Certification, Cybersecurity courses. Powered by Tonex Training.
The North American Electric Reliability Corporation, NERC, is an international regulatory organization that works to reduce risks to power grid infrastructure. It does this through the continual development of a set of regulatory standards in addition to education, training and certifications for industry personnel.
This intensive NERC CIP, North American Electric Reliability Corporation Critical Infrastructure Protection, training crash course by Tonex, is designed to provide a comprehensive overview and in-depth understanding of NERC CIP standards and compliance requirements in just a short span. Participants will gain the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complex world of critical infrastructure protection, ensuring the reliability and security of the electric grid.
Audience. This course is ideal for energy sector professionals, including utility managers and engineers, compliance officers and regulatory affairs specialists, IT and cybersecurity professionals working in the energy industry, consultants and auditors involved in NERC CIP compliance, anyone seeking to enhance their knowledge of critical infrastructure protection within the electric utility sector. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your knowledge and advance your career in the energy sector. Tonex can help.
Yes, Tonex can help. Invest in your future. Secure critical infrastructure. Join Tonex NERC CIP training crash course today. Please visit Tonex website, www.tonex.com.